Are fine and fit. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, the fundamental rights. But before going into the details, let us first try to understand what exactly the word rights mean. Rights are claims that are essential for the existence and development of individuals. All these rights are recognized by the society, whereas some of the most important rights are recognized by the state and enshrined in the Constitution. Such rights are called fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are those rights which are essential for intellectual, moral, and spiritual development of individuals. As these rights are fundamental or essential for existence and all-round development of individuals, hence it is called as fundamental rights. These fundamental rights are envisaged in Part 3, that is, from Articles 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution. The fundamental rights have been classified under 6 categories: right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Article 14. Right to equality represents the idea of equality, which states that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. The equality before the law is guaranteed to all without regard to race, color, or nationality. Article 19. Right to freedom. The right to freedom guarantees to the citizens of India 6 fundamental freedoms. The first is freedom of speech and expression. Second, freedom of assembly. Third, freedom to form associations. Fourth, freedom of movement. Fifth, freedom to reside and to settle. And sixth, freedom of profession, occupation, trade, or business. Articles 23 to 24. Right against exploitation. Article 23 prohibits traffic in human beings, women, children, beggars or other forced labor. Militate against human dignity. Article 24 prohibits employing children below the age of 14 years in any hazardous profession. This right followed the human rights concepts and United Nations norms. Article 25 to 28, which provides right to freedom of religion. Article 25 and 26 embody the principles of religious tolerance and serve to emphasize the secular nature of Indian democracy, that is, equal respect to all religions. Article 25 offers freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion, whereas Article 26 helps to manage religious affairs, which is subject to public order, morality, and health. Every religious denomination or any section. Article 27 provides freedom not to pay taxes for religion expenses on the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion. Article 28 prohibits religious instructions in educational institutions wholly maintained by the state. Article 29 and 30. Rights to minorities, that is, cultural and educational rights. Article 29 provides protection of the interest of minorities. A minority community can effectively conserve its language, script or culture by and through an educational institution. Article 30 states that the rights of minorities, whether based on religion or language, to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 32 to 35, which are right to constitutional remedies. Rights, in order to be meaningful, must be enforceable and backed by the remedies in case of violation. This article guarantees the right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of fundamental rights and deals with the Supreme Court's power to issue order or writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Article 33 empowers Parliament to modify the application of fundamental rights to the armed forces or forces charged with the maintenance of public order. On the other hand, the Article 35 lays down that the power to make laws to give effect to certain specified fundamental rights shall vest only with the Parliament and not with the state legislatures. Therefore, fundamental rights play a significant role because they are most essential for the attainment of the full intellectual, moral, and spiritual status of an individual. Therefore, the objective behind the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution was to establish a government of law, to preserve individuals' liberty, building an equitable society, and establish a welfare state. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell notification to get the latest update about the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe.